I was very excited to be able to use in the Idea House the collection that I designed for Ballard. The china is based on blue and white china, something that I absolutely adore. And they're a combination of patterns. I like to mix different styles of plates together, but I think when you have it all of one color, then that's when you can mix different patterns. So it's all blue and white. And then the tablecloth is based on an early textile that I always loved and had used, and that became the basis for the pattern for the tablecloth. And of course, since we had blue and white, we had to have some beautiful hand-blown blue and white glasses to go with it. So in the table set, it's very exciting and interesting with the red tablecloth, the blue and white china, and of course blue and white china can go with any color. We use some of the rest of the china in the china cupboard for display. The glass doors at the top have wavy glass so that you don't see completely into the cupboard. And there's a space with a wooden countertop because I wanted that to be for buffet. I wanted that to be a place that you could put the salad bowl or the platter of hamburgers. So it serves not only as a china cupboard but also as a buffet area. I think that when one is buying china, it's a very good idea to stay with one color palette. Lots of china was blue and white, so if you stay with one color pattern, it makes it easier to make a collection.